Do you struggle to finish tasks? Do you start projects but never complete them? If yes, it's a lack of self-discipline and it's holding you back from success. But don't worry, self-discipline can be learned. And today, I'll show you how. Let's begin. First, start small. Discipline doesn't come overnight. Start with small, consistent actions. Even 10-15 minutes of focused work daily can build your discipline over time. Second, create clear goals and rules. Decide what you want and what actions are required. Set clear boundaries. For example, no phone while working or study for 1 hour every day. Rules make discipline easier. Third, remove temptations. Your environment affects your discipline. Keep distractions away. Social media, junk food, unnecessary notifications. A controlled environment strengthens willpower. Fourth, use rewards and accountability. Reward yourself for completing tasks. Tell someone about your goals. Being accountable increases discipline. Fifth, embrace discomfort. Discipline means doing what you need, even when you don't feel like it. Comfort kills progress. Push yourself, face challenges, and stay consistent. And finally, track your progress and reflect. At the end of each day, ask, what did I achieve today? What could I improve? Reflection reinforces habits and strengthens self-discipline. Remember, self-discipline is the bridge between goals and success. Start small, remove distractions, set rules, face discomfort, be consistent, and track your progress. Your future depends on the discipline you build today.